Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera. My name is Mama Afiq Hazwan bin Mama Rusdi and I am from TML2. So today I'm going to talk about the future transportation hub, and the transportation that I choose is the railway station. And now I will show you the model about my project, that is the future railway station. As you can see, my future railway station model has the online ticket counter. This is one of the facilities helping the people to buy their ticket more easily without having to wait for a long queue in order to buy the ticket from a normal counter, just like before. Another facilities that I included in my model is the multi-story parking lot that can be used by the customer or the worker at the station. This facility added more spaces for the people to park their vehicle without worries, because this parking lot also has its own security system. Apart from that, I also included the cafeteria and the toilet. With these facilities, people should not be worried anymore about being hungry or thirsty, because they can access the cafe before they got on the train or after they got off from the train, and they can also use the restroom whenever they need to. Last but not least, there are a specific space for the containers that is used to store industrial things, whether it is to be sent away or it is received from another station. I think that is all from me. I hope you guys like and enjoy my video and my future railway station model. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.